That sharp stabbing pain right here in your neck, shooting down into your shoulder, it stops you dead in your tracks. You can't turn your head, you can't sleep. It's a pinched nerve and it's brutal. But what if I told you you could get instant relief right now at home with no equipment? I'm going to show you the 3 most powerful exercises to release a pinched nerve fast, and I guarantee at least one of these will work for you. We're cutting through all the fluff and jumping straight into what actually works. These aren't just random stretches. This is a proven system that attacks the problem from 3 different angles. First, we need to understand what's happening. Your nerve is trapped between tight muscles and compressed vertebrae. It's like a garden hose being stepped on. The water can't flow properly. We need to lift that foot and restore the flow. Exercise number 1, the muscle release. This targets the exact muscles that are strangling your nerve. Place your fingers interlocked behind your head, thumbs at the base of your skull. Feel around for that tight, painful knot. You'll know it when you find it. Apply deep circular pressure for 10 seconds. Breathe through it. Now hook that thumb and pull down towards your shoulder. Feel that tension melting away. That's exactly what we want. Hold this for another 10 seconds, then repeat 3 times. This first exercise alone can reduce your pain by 50% because we're addressing the root cause, muscle tension that's compressing the nerve pathway. Exercise number 2, the decompressor. Now we're going to create space between your vertebrae, literally pulling them apart to take the pressure off that pinched nerve. Place 2 fingers on your chin and gently push your head straight back like you're making a double chin. Feel that stretch in the back of your neck? Good. Now place your other hand on the back of your head. Gently push forward while pulling your chin down toward your chest. You should feel a deep stretching sensation through the entire back of your neck. Hold this position for 30 seconds and breathe deeply. Here's a pro tip. Slowly turn your head slightly left, then slightly right while holding this position. Find your relief position, that sweet spot where the pain just vanishes. Everyone's anatomy is different, so your relief position might be unique to you. Exercise number 3, the nerve glide. This is the secret weapon that most people have never heard of. We're actually flossing the nerve itself to break up the adhesions and scar tissue that's pinching it. This technique comes from advanced physical therapy protocols. Extend your arm out to the side at shoulder height, palm facing down toward the floor. Now rotate your palm up toward the ceiling while simultaneously turning your head away from that arm. Hold for 2 seconds, then rotate your palm back down toward the floor while turning your head toward your arm. This is 1 repetition. Do this slowly and controlled, 15 repetitions on each side. If you feel tingling or increased pain, you're doing it too aggressively. This should feel like a gentle wave of relief washing through your neck and shoulder. The magic happens when you combine all 3 exercises in sequence. The muscle release opens the door, the decompressor creates space, and the nerve glide restores proper nerve function. Do this entire routine 2 to 3 times per day, especially first thing in the morning and right before bed. Most people feel significant relief after the first session, but give it 3 days of consistent practice for maximum results. Your body needs time to adapt and heal. Now, I need to be completely honest with you. This protocol works for about 85% of people with pinched nerves. But if your pain is severe, getting worse instead of better, or if you have numbness and tingling going down into your arms and hands, you need to see a healthcare professional in person. Don't mess around with nerve damage. Also, if you have any history of neck injuries, herniated discs, or if these exercises cause sharp shooting pain, stop immediately and consult with a physical therapist or doctor. But for most of you watching this, these 3 exercises are going to be game changers. I want you to try them right now before you finish watching this video. Pause if you need to. Your future pain-free self will thank you. If this video just took your pain from an 8 out of 10 down to a 2 or 3, I need you to pay it forward. Hit that like button. It tells the algorithm that this content actually helps people, which means more people suffering from pinched nerves will find this video. Subscribe to the channel because we release new pain relief protocols every single week. I've got videos on lower back pain, shoulder impingement, knee pain, and dozens of other conditions that are ruining people's quality of life. Drop a comment below and tell me which of these 3 exercises work best for you. I read every single comment and I use your feedback to create better content. Your success story might be exactly what someone else needs to hear to give these exercises a try. Most importantly, share this video with someone who needs it. You probably know at least one person right now who's dealing with neck pain, headaches, or shoulder problems. This could literally change their day, their week, maybe even their life. Remember, you have more control over your pain than you think. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself when you give it the right tools and techniques. These 3 exercises are those tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we're going to tackle another common pain problem that's destroying people's sleep and productivity.